Gage, I can kind of see you down there, and when I talked to you at the top and I asked you what the ultimate edge was for you this season, and you said those guys right there. But you are an ultimate edge in this category, as people will slow down highlights to watch how you ride one of these motorcycles. Please come to the stage and accept your second NHRA Pro Stock Motorcycle Championship for an epic year of racing.
Well, good evening, everyone. We all know I don't like talking, but hopefully this goes better than last season. I want to start off by congratulating Antron, Austin, Greg on their championships. It was very entertaining watching you all battle it to the end. To be standing here tonight holding my second NHRA Pro Stock Motorcycle Championship title, it's honestly surreal. To have achieved this not once, but twice in a row is something I could have only dreamed about. I'm beyond grateful to be living this reality. First and foremost, I have to give a massive thank you to my team, Vance and Hines, Andrew, Ed, Jay, the chief, Ray, the actual chief, Jay's the bike chief, I should say, Richard, Terry, and Byron. This championship is as much as theirs as it is mine. Racing is a team effort, and there's no way I could do this without the talented crew that supports me every single day. From the guys keeping the bike dialed in to everyone who helps behind the scenes, thank you. You've put in countless hours, early mornings and late nights to make sure we're ready, and it's because of your commitment and hard work that we're standing here today as champions once again. Richard, awesome job getting third in the points in your first full season. It's been a lot of fun being teammates, always pushing each other to be the best possible, and I know your first win is right around the corner. To my sponsors and partners, thank you for believing in me and supporting us all year long. Your trust allows us to perform at the highest level, and I couldn't be more proud to represent your brands on the track. Thank you to Steve and Sean at Revzilla, Amber at Motul, Carrie, Chris, and Chase at Suzuki, all the guys at Vance & Hines Motorsports, Snake and Cindy at CP Carrillo, Juan Gonzalez at Mission Foods. Also want to thank all of our associate sponsors who play a big part in our program, and we couldn't do this without them. Comp Cams, Pack Valve Springs, Lincoln Welders, Mickey Thompson Tires, Denso Spark Plugs, Summit Racing, Leading Edge Composites, Centroid CNC Machines, Rottler Manufacturing, Mazak CNC Machines, Surdy Machines, Motec, Shane T, Full Spectrum Batteries, Worldwide Bearings, CHE, Bates Leathers, Simpson Stilo Helmets, John Pugh for the amazing helmet paint, and Rappin' Redbeard. Natalie and all the girls, and Dane at Innovative Creative Experts. I also want to thank the NHRA and the Safety Safari for all their hard work and efforts by doing everything they can to help keep myself and all of the other riders and drivers safe. Thank you to Fox Sports and the NHRA crew for working tirelessly on producing the television show. Thank you to Brian Loans and Tony Petragon and all the supporting staff for everything. To my family, thank you for always being there, for your love, your encouragement, and your support. Thanks to my girlfriend, Lexi, for always her endless support. Love you. This season has been one for the books. To win this championship is an accomplishment, but to come back and do it again is such a competitive field. That's something that's really special. It's been 20 years since Suzuki has won back-to-back championships. There were so many moments throughout the year where we had to dig deep, keep pushing, and never let up thanks to Lonnie and Ned at the tech department always throwing curveballs at us. We faced challenges, but we stayed focused on our goals, and our domination last season made the competition bring out the best they got this season. But with the team and the support I have, we were able to stay on the top when it all mattered. To all the other riders and teams who pushed us to be better every round, thank you. This sport wouldn't be what it is without the strong competitors, and you all keep raising the bar and making me work harder and giving the fans some incredible racing. Congrats to my buddy Chase on getting his first win, even though you ended my incredible consecutive win streak. I'm very proud of what we've accomplished, but I'm also excited for what's next. This isn't the end. We're going to keep pushing, keep improving, and keep fighting for more. As always, I'll give everything I got to bring home more championships, and I know I have the best team in the world behind me to make that happen. Again, thank you to everyone who made this possible. I'm proud to be here, and I can't wait to get back out there and keep racing for more. Here's to another great year and many more championships ahead. I guess it's time to go fishing. Thanks, everyone. Let's have some fun tonight, and congrats to all the other champions.